Religion is the interest of true men. Religion is the shelter of true men, and all the three worlds follow religion, as mentioned in Mahabharata. Book title Dharma Tattva Ka Darshan or Marm. What is the current connotation of the word dharma? The word dharma has taken a very broad definition, much different from a sect. Whereas sect is a set of worship methods, rituals and customs, religion is in a way another name for the way of life. Communal beliefs can change according to the country, time, region, situation, but religion is eternal. The philosophy behind religion is that one becomes whole following it as everyone is related to each other. Why is dharma important in life? Religion is essential and useful for everyone. Adherence to religion is not only necessary for the protection of the self but also for the integrity of the society. The author has defined dharma as the mode of refinement of senses of the individuals. Religion is the name of this sophisticated approach. The essence of religion is morality, decency. What is the importance of devotion in dharma? Devotion means believing in divine life, a belief where love and togetherness is not only directed towards human life but also towards other living beings that ultimately lead to oneness and unification of the entire world. The key to religion is morality. Doing is valuable, but thinking, though hidden, is equally important as action. What are the different segmentations of dharma? The word dharma means to hold or to follow. One who is responsible for the welfare of all living beings of the world. Keeping this in mind, sages have made arrangements accordingly in religion. Dharma is considered to be four types: Varna dharma, Ashram dharma, Samanya dharma and Sadhan dharma. Varna dharma, who follows Brahminical varnas. Ashram dharma, who follows asceticism. Samanya dharma, religion followed by a human being, that is Manav dharma. Sadhan dharma, ritual of selfless actions for the removal of the restrictive concepts, attaining self-knowledge. What are the readers expecting from this book? This small book explains importance of dharma in life, philosophy of religion, practical nature of religion, why religious faith is necessary, but with conscience, why is refinement of beliefs needed, and other topics. Few experts from the book. In a society where the concept of religion remains alive, that society and its people are always happy. Piety means believing in one's divine life. Doing good work can be possible only when good thinking is in its core. This also brings in excellence. Religion is the soul of life. It is not possible to live even for a moment without it, just like air. Few topics covered in the book are: religion is not an opium pill, power of religion and its importance, religion and its true nature. The essence of religion is ethics. If religion is the end, then science is the means. Religion is useful and necessary.